to Rami's playground. Hey guys, today we're gonna be talking about Rami's playground. So there's gonna be top 3 people that's gonna be mentioned on Rami's playground. Feel free to like and follow and leave a comment for more info. And don't forget, give a little thanks and support. Let's go! So, since we are getting started, come back for part 2 for Rami's playground. The part 2 is gonna be where we start with the episodes, the movie, the action, the drama, the comedy. Feel free to give us support and a thanks. I really did appreciate and I really did a lot of support just for you guys. Thank you. Come back for peace.